You wanted it. You've asked for it. Now you've got it. For the first time, own your very own STO porn calendar, featuring your favorite dirty boy. Uncensored, unrated. Behold the beauty of Doughboy on the bluff. Marvel at Doughboy doing a rough road. Imagine Doughboy getting you wet. Get blown away as Doughboy dominates the terrain. And don't forget, he loves playing with friends. You may have a lot of questions, like how does that even work? Or who would come out with a new calendar in April? I would say you think too much and stop pretending you're buying this calendar for the calendar. So go ahead and indulge your van fantasy and place your orders today for the STO Porn 2023 and Summer 2024 calendar featuring Doughboy. This is only an April Fool's joke. Calendar not actually for sale. Professional models depicted do not attempt a vehicle threesome.